Hey traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. If you're looking for a fast, simple, and super accurate pocket option strategy, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm testing a powerful combo, the Vortex Indicator and EMA 20, using 15-second candles with a 1-minute expiry. This setup is beginner-friendly and helps you spot trades with laser-like precision, even in fast markets. And yes, we're doing live trading in this video. You'll see every win, every loss, and the exact rules I follow, so you can start using this strategy right after watching. Stick around till the end. I'm revealing a special indicator setting that helped me filter out 80% of fake signals and win 6 trades in a row. So, ready to learn a clean and powerful method that works in real time? Let's dive straight into the chart. I'll show you exactly how it works, step by step. But first, a quick disclaimer. Binary options trading involves financial risk. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Always trade responsibly and never risk money you can't afford to lose. All right, here are the exact trading rules you need to follow. For call trade, price is above the EMA 20. This tells us the market is in a strong uptrend. The Vortex blue line crosses above the red line. This shows bullish momentum. Both Vortex lines should be spreading apart. That confirms the strength of the trend. Wait for a strong bullish candle at the time of the crossover. This is your final confirmation. As soon as that candle closes, enter a 1-minute call trade. For put trade, price is below the EMA 20. This tells us the market is trending down. The Vortex red line crosses above the blue line, indicating strong selling pressure. Both lines should spread apart. This confirms a solid bearish move. Wait for a strong bearish candle at the crossover point. Once that candle closes, enter a 1-minute put trade. Avoid these situations. Price is touching or moving sideways around EMA 20. That means the market is flat or undecided. Vortex lines are flat or crossing too often. Avoid choppy markets. Doji, spinning top, or weak candles, these are not strong enough to confirm trades. Timeframe details. Candle time frame, 15 seconds. Trade expiry, 1 minute. Pro tips to boost accuracy. Trade during high volatility sessions like London or New York Open. Use support and resistance zones to confirm your entry. Look for clear signals and avoid overtrading. 5 to 6 good setups are enough per session. Always use proper risk management. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your balance per trade. Start with a demo account to practice and gain confidence. Remember, the key is not trading more, it's trading smart. You'll also find the full indicator settings, bonus trading tips, and helpful links in the video description below. Don't forget to check it out. Next up, let's take this strategy live on the Pocket Option platform and see how it performs with real market movements. Let's go to the chart. As you can see on the chart, the price was clearly above the EMA 20, indicating a strong uptrend. Now look closely at the Vortex indicator below. The blue line, VI+, crossed above the red line, VI-. This is our bullish signal. And not just a weak crossover. Both lines are spreading apart, showing strong upward momentum. I also got a clean bullish candle right after the crossover. That was my final confirmation. So, I entered a 1-minute call trade, following all our strategy rules. Right after I entered the trade, you'll notice that the next few candles continued moving upward, confirming our entry was timed well. The EMA was still acting as support, and there were no signs of reversal. The Vortex line stayed spread apart. That's exactly what we want during a trade, and here it is. The trade closed in profit with a solid green result. Take a look at this chart. The price is clearly below the EMA 20, which means the market is in a strong downtrend. This is exactly what we wait for. Now look at the Vortex indicator below the chart. The red line has crossed above the blue line. That's our signal to prepare for a sell. But it gets better. The lines are spreading apart, which confirms strong selling pressure. Right after the crossover, I got a strong red bearish candle. Clean confirmation. So, I entered a 1-minute put trade right at the close of that candle, following the exact rules of our strategy. After entering the trade, price continued falling strongly, showing that momentum was fully in our favor. EMA 20 acted like a ceiling. Price stayed well below it, and no sign of reversal appeared. The Vortex red line remained clearly on top, confirming we were still in a powerful downtrend. The trade closed with a solid green profit in just 1 minute. This is what happens when you follow the trend, momentum, and confirmation all together, with discipline. All right, traders, let's quickly set up the 2 indicators that power this entire strategy. EMA 20. Go to Indicators. Select EMA. Set the period to 20. Use a bright color like yellow or white for easy visibility. This helps us follow the trend, not fight it. Vortex Indicator. Search for Vortex in Indicators. Set period to 5. You'll see blue line, bullish strength. Red line, bearish strength. EMA shows the trend. Vortex shows the momentum. When both agree, that's your green signal to enter the trade. Take a look at this chart. The price is clearly below the EMA 20, which means the market is in a strong downtrend. This is exactly what we wait for. First thing I noticed, the price crossed above the EMA 20, which means the market was shifting into a bullish trend. Now look at the Vortex indicator at the bottom. The blue line crossed above the red line, a clear signal of rising momentum. Both Vortex lines are spreading apart, and I got a strong bullish candle after the crossover. Everything aligned perfectly, so I entered a 1-minute call trade at the close of that candle. As soon as the trade started, the price continued rising, staying above the EMA 20. There was no hesitation or pullback, just steady bullish momentum. The Vortex lines remained wide apart, confirming the move had strength. And yes, the trade closed in profit. This is why I trust the Vortex plus EMA 20 combo. It helps me enter with confidence and clarity. And that's a wrap for today's live trading session using the Vortex plus EMA 20 strategy. Here's how we did. Total trades, 7. Wins, 6. No result, 1. That's the power of combining trend plus momentum and waiting for clean signals. No panic, no guesswork. Key takeaways from today's session. Only trade when EMA and Vortex agree. Avoid flat or choppy zones. Wait for confirmation candles. Don't rush entries. Trade during active market hours for better momentum. If this strategy helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions, and make sure to subscribe for more real trading strategies tested live. Join our Telegram channel for more strategies, trade updates, and free indicator resources. Link is in the description. Bonus tips, indicator settings, and trade breakdowns are also in the video description. Don't miss them. Thanks for watching. Stay disciplined, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next one.